To use Clang compiler on Windows 11, you need to install LLVM first. You need to open PowerShell, but you don't know where it is. The easiest way to find PowerShell on Windows 11 is to type PowerShell into the search bar. Here, there are 4 options, so you click this one. Maybe it will work. In PowerShell, you type this command. Then you press Enter. After installing successfully, you can check the version of Clang by using this command. If it shows you a version of Clang similar to this is actually successful. On Windows 11, maybe you can write C code by using Notepad. Like this. Step 1. You write code in a new file, unsaved. Step 2. After writing, you click Save as like this. Step 3. You name it, and you add .c extension to it. You should name it main.c. And below, make sure you choose the All Files option. If you save the file in a folder named Test with the folder path like this, before compiling, you need to move to this folder. In PowerShell, you type cd space path to your directory. After moving, you type this command to compile, and type this command to run. If you want to write code on VS Code, you can see this video 1.4. Option 1. Environment Setup, macOS Monterey version 12.7.6, for reference.